In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a fake PNG background in Photoshop. If you've ever downloaded an image that claims to have a transparent background but actually shows a gray and white checkerboard baked into the file, this workflow will clean it up quickly and give you a crisp, customizable background. Start by opening your image in Adobe Photoshop. To make the fake background easier to see, add a solid color behind it. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click the Adjustment Layer icon and choose Solid Color. Pick any color you like and click OK. A medium tone often works well because it helps reveal leftover edges and halos while you work. Next, select your image layer and duplicate it so you're working non-destructively. On Windows, press Ctrl+J. On Mac, press Command+J. Drag this duplicated image layer so it sits above the solid color fill layer. Keeping the original lower in the stack preserves a reference and gives you flexibility if you need to compare or reset. Now we'll tackle the gray portion of the fake background. Make sure the duplicated image layer is selected. Go to Image, then Adjustments, then Replace Color. With the eyedropper tool in the dialog, click on the gray area of the background. Set lightness to +100 to push that sampled gray toward white, and carefully increase the fuzziness slider until most of the gray background is targeted. Watch the preview as you adjust. The goal is to affect the fake background without brightening your subject. When it looks right, click OK. To isolate the white portion, go to Select, then Color Range. In the Select dropdown, choose Sampled Colors. Use the eyedropper to sample the white background. Raise the fuzziness slider until the selection looks clean around the subject, then enable invert so you're selecting the subject instead of the background. Click OK to confirm. With that selection active, create a layer mask by clicking the layer mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Photoshop will mask away the fake PNG background, revealing the solid color beneath. If you notice small halos or missed spots, you can resample and refine your fuzziness settings in the previous steps and update the mask accordingly. If you want to change the background color, simply double-click the solid color fill layer thumbnail and pick any hue you prefer. Click OK to apply it. And that's it. You've successfully removed a fake PNG background in Photoshop and replaced it with a clean, customizable background. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.